Greetings, visionaries and digital artists. Welcome back to AI Chatose, where creativity meets technology. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through an extraordinary journey of transforming still images into breathtaking animated narratives using AI. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a voyage into the realm of digital artistry where each creation is a unique reflection of your imagination. Whether you're looking to shine on YouTube, cater to clients, or simply explore the vast potential of AI in animation, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and unfold this story, step by step. Imagine if you could paint a picture with words and then watch it come to life. That's exactly what we're going to do. We begin with an idea, a vision. Be as detailed as possible about the style, mood, and environment of your animation. Today, I'm choosing the enchanting style of the Japanese Ghibli Studio, a style that evokes nostalgia and wonder from my childhood. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you could show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. Your encouragement means the world to me and helps me keep sharing these valuable insights with you. Now, let's dive into the world AI creation, hand in hand with AI. Get ready to be amazed. Once our narrative is set, we turn to ChatGPT to outline our scene sequence, complete with sound effects. Remember, while AI tools like ChatGPT are incredibly helpful, the true magic lies in your personal touch, the camera angles, the music, the sound editing. These elements are what truly bring your story to life. Now, let's move to the heart of our process, image generation. We'll use ChatGPT to create prompts for each scene and then bring them to life with Midjourney. For those seeking a free image generation tool, Leonardo.ai is an excellent alternative. Remember to generate your images in 16:9 format, perfect for YouTube. A pro tip for Midjourney users: don't overlook the Vary region feature. It's a game changer for refining your images without compromising other parts of your scene. Now, let's animate these images. After experimenting with various tools, I've settled on PikaLabs for its free service and versatility. Compare it with Gen 2, and you'll see why PikaLabs is my choice, especially for the style we're aiming for. For voice generation, I recommend 11 Labs for its quality and affordability. Their community library is a treasure trove of diverse voices, perfect for giving your characters their unique personalities. Once we have our animated scenes and voiceovers, it's time to synchronize them. I've found Deepshot to be an excellent, user-friendly tool for this task. Although it exports in low quality, a simple video enhancer can easily upscale the resolution. An optional but beneficial step is video interpolation. This process smoothens your animation by adding extra frames, turning a 30 frames per second video into a 60 frames per second masterpiece. I'll include a link for this tool in the description. Finally, we bring our animated story to life by combining the scenes, voiceovers, music, and sound effects. Feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. I personally prefer Capcut for its ease of use and free access. And don't forget to utilize Epidemic Sound's vast library for those final, immersive touches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity with AI.